Good morning. Today I'm in our fulfillment warehouse showing you what happens down here. Lots of pick and pack, assembly, mailings, any orders that people have, we ship out from here. This is where all the assembly and labeling gets done at these various tables. We've got various product over here. This can all get set up for whatever the project is. There's product that sits on shelves, or we put product on there for given materials. I'm gonna show you back here is the warehouse. Here are all the racks where we store a bunch of various product. So we've got 16 rows. All kinds of things go on up in here. And it's not limited to just product either. It could just be cartons, like you see behind me. Lots of skid storage of material, could be raw material. We've got paper back there as well. So just a variety of things that happen out of this facility. So just wanted to kind of give you this in-depth look. What you kind of see here is 30,000 square feet on this side, and then beyond this wall where those racks are is another 30,000 or so to get up to 66,000 total square feet here. Just wanted to show you. Thank you.